So we were supposed to have been in the spring season, and this morning I woke up in a set of snow again, and I guess we're back to winter. If you guys are thinking of moving to New Brunswick, you have to be ready and prepared to face such kind of very confused season. It doesn't know if it's winter or spring yet, but this set of snow will not stop us, because today I'm gonna take you on an apartment tour at the heart of downtown Moncton, and I'm certainly excited to share this video with you guys. We are now in DF. I live in DF, so we are driving all the way to Moncton. And that building right there, that building that says Center, Aquatic Center, that's Aquatic DF, that's where I go swimming. This is Mountain Road. We are at the heart of Moncton now. That building right there, that is the one. See, rental inquiries, Northview Properties. We are now at the third floor of this Northview apartment building. The building does not have a lift, and therefore you will have to run all the way from the ground floor. But really, until third floor, I think this is doable, even on a daily basis. So this is the apartment. Welcome to the junior suite apartment at Northview Apartments. This is at the heart of downtown Moncton. It's very near YMCA and Alton College, and just a few meters away is the Mountain Road. So I'll take you first here, which is the main hallway. This is actually a good size hallway, and as you can see here, they have all sorts of shoes. And this is in the main cabinet, and this is an air exchanger, which then allows fresh air to come in and the not so fresh air to go out. So this is actually a good facility within this building. Not so many buildings here in Moncton actually provide such facility, and this is this apartment was actually almost fully furnished when it was rented out. So this cabinet here was provided by the landlords essentially, and this is called a junior suite mainly because there is this wall that separates the bedroom from the main living room, but as you can see here, it doesn't have a door. And the reason is because if the landlords had built a door in this apartment, then they would have been obliged to build a cabinet for clothes or wardrobe. In this case, quite obviously, they did not want to build a cabinet, and therefore, this is what we call, or they call, a junior suite. A junior suite is lower than a one-bedroom, and it is a notch higher than a studio. And let me take you to the bedroom. And here, as you can see, there is no built-in cabinet. The bed was provided by the landlords, and all these spaces provided, or these spots here where the clothes are hung, are provided by the renters essentially, and all other boxes here. So this is how essentially a junior suite is played out. And this is the main living area. Actually, a maximum of 2 persons could possibly live in this space. So the couch was provided by the landlords. The dining tables were provided by the landlords as well, and it came with a television. But then the renters thought that no, they wanted a bigger television. But everything else was provided, from the refrigerator to the oven to the microwave to the dishwasher. And the dishwasher is actually a common facility that is provided in apartments. I think across Canada, but certainly here in Moncton, this is a common facility provided by the landlords. Hang on a second, I will show you the toilet. The toilet is right around here. And this is a decent sized toilet, and they do have a built-in cabinet as well. And this is actually a decent sized cabinet where there's so many stack of shelves that can that do provide spaces for various things, for various toiletry. And this is the bathtub essentially. I can certainly say that this is a good size toilet. The apartment itself is a good size apartment. This apartment rents for $880 a month. Again, this is a yearly lease, so it's a yearly contract. $880 includes the insurance of the personal property here within this apartment. It includes heating and electricity, and it also includes water. Now, it is not always the case that apartments would include all those three utilities and costs. So if you will look for apartments, you have to ask specifically and in details what are the inclusions of the rent of the landlords that they will charge to you as a renter. The Royal Bank of Canada branch in Mountain Road is just a few meters away, and therefore the Northview Apartments really is one of the bigger landlords here within the Atlantic, at least if not in Canada. And the other one is Keelang Properties. So if you are looking at renting at Northview Apartments, you might want to ask all those specific questions on what are the inclusions of the rent.